Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can use crypto.com currency exchange. So first of all, you're gonna go onto this website and you're gonna click on download app. You're gonna scan this QR code with your mobile phone. Once you have downloaded the app, you're gonna put in your initial passcode authentication, and then what you need to do is if you want to buy or sell a crypto token, you're gonna click on buy a token, and then over here you can see these are all the tokens that you have. Bitcoin, Ethereum, you're going to click on one, and once you have clicked on one, you will be able to pay with your credit or debit card, and over at the top you will put in the amount of the crypto you want to buy, and then you're going to click on the blue button at the bottom which says buy. Now once you do this, your balance will be cut off from your credit or debit card and you will be able to purchase crypto. Now to sell a token, it's the same method. You just have to select which cryptocurrency you want to sell, and then you're gonna put in the amount at the top, and then you're gonna select the debit or credit card where you want to be paid, and then you're gonna click on sell. That's basically it for today's video. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching.